25th of September. Today is Ratu. Right on to Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is whakarongo. Whakarongo means to listen. Can you whakarongo to the news? On to today's notices. There is no band on today due to house challenges. There is no junior kapa haka today. Any year 5 and 6 who would like to take part in Win It in a Minute Inter-House Challenge to be in a hill at 12:40 after lunch. Can we have a tidy class drum roll, please? The cleanest classes last week was room 7 and room 12. Now, well done, guys. Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. I think I found the text box. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite apopo. Haere. See you tomorrow, Winton School.